Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Jackery. So let me take you to the website, which is jackery.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Jackery is a portable power brand known for solar generators, portable power stations, and outdoor energy solutions. The website features products for camping, travel, emergencies, and off-grid use. It is ideal for users who need reliable portable power for home or outdoor adventures. So what you're waiting for, if you are looking for a product like this, you can come to the website, explore all their amazing products and buy anything for yourself. Of course, for the adventure you want to do. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Jackery. Possible? Of course it is. You simply have to join the affiliate program of Jackery. You start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, as usual, you get commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission. No restrictions found about the location of the affiliate. So regardless of your location as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of their affiliate program. And about the consumers, you would only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to Jackery from the consumers of Australia, Canada, France, Netherlands, Spain, and United States. So you have to be careful about the traffic that you're targeting. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to their affiliate program page. I'm going to mention this link in the video description for your quick reference. So you can come here, you can read about it, so how exactly it works. You join, you advertise, you earn. Pretty simple. Towards return, it's 5%, but there's more to it. We're gonna talk about it. Then why choose Jackery? There are some good things about them written here, and then you can join them through different affiliate networks, but we're gonna choose Impact. Then if you scroll down, you'll see quick links to these affiliate networks you can decide to join. But in this video, as I said, I'm going to cover the Impact affiliate network, and we'll talk about how do you join Jackery affiliate program using Impact. Now, let's say you want to sign up for the affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website impact.com. As I was talking about it, what is Impact and what does it have to do with Jackery? So Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Jackery, you must join Impact as an affiliate or rather publisher. Now, Impact calls affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. How do you sign up or how do you become a publisher of Impact? For that, you can click on Request a Demo from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here, if you click on sign up as a partner within for creators, influencers, and publishers, it will take you to the sign up page. You can initiate the sign up process from there, but I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate network out there. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Impact affiliate account or rather a publisher account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Impact publisher account. Once you have an account with them, you can come to the website once again, click on sign in, and then it will take you to the sign in page. Enter your username or email followed by password and click on sign in. It will then take you to the Impact affiliate or rather publisher dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Jackery, but we're going to talk about the affiliate program of Jackery only. For that, you can click on Discover and you can click on Find Brands. Then it will take you to this page. Over here within all brands, you can start typing Jackery followed by, let me turn off caps. So Jackery followed by an enter, you would be able to see multiple tiles here. So we got Jackery, Jackery.ca, Jackery France, Jackery Australia, Spain, and of course Netherlands. So as I was talking about the regions, so depending on the traffic, the region of your traffic, you can choose any of these tiles. Now let's say you are looking for this one, Jackery CA, and if you look at it, the commission rate kind of differs depending on the region of the affiliate program. So let's say I'm interested in Jackery.ca. So the moment I click on it, it will open the overlay window. Similarly, you can click on the tile of any Jackery affiliate program depending on the region of your traffic. And once you've clicked on it, if you look at the right hand side, you will see the commission rate. So online sell 8%. Let's say if you have traffic from Canada or US, then you might want to go with this program. And if you look at the left hand side, you will see some details available. And in case if you want to reach out to the affiliate program of Jackery, you could click on this envelope icon and initiate the communication this way. And to have more details, you can click on View and Manage Contract. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can read through and understand. You can also click on Impact a Master Program Agreement for better understanding about what is allowed and what's not allowed. And if you click on Details while you are on the overlay window of Jackery.ca affiliate program, you'll see where the service, as I was saying, Canada and United States. So let's say you apply to this affiliate program and you get approved, you will only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from the consumers of Canada and United States. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see more details. Let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program, simply click on apply. When you do that, it will open up this window. Over here, you have to tell jackfree.ca why you want to work on this campaign. So like this, if you are applying to this affiliate program or any other region's affiliate program, you have to write about your business model. You need to basically tell them how exactly you plan to promote them. This will help you in getting the approval. For me, I have already written. I'm just going to paste it in here. You can also write for yourself and then click on jackery.ca or Jackery contract terms. Ensure you read it, you understand it, and then click on apply. When you do that, you will get a message. It will show that your application to Jackery is under review. That means your application has been sent to the affiliate program team of Jackery. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time, and you'll be notified via an email. Let's say you have been approved, then what do? You log into Impact Publisher account once again, and once here, this time you click on Discover and you click on My Brands. It will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see all your approved brands within Impact Publisher account. So you see them here as approved. Next, what? Next, you can start promoting them. To promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. Let's say you want to promote this link that is essential home backup power. So this is a good device, and let's say you want to promote that. You can just take this link and promote it directly to your traffic. You have to use or you have to create your tracking link. So let's say I copy this link and then you can come to the home page. Over here, if you look at the create a link section, you can click on brand, and assuming you have been approved by Jackery, you would be able to see them in here. But just for the demo purpose, I'm gonna go with SEMrush. But in your case, since you have been approved, you can click on Jackery and then followed by that, put the landing URL that you have copied before, click on create. What it will do, it will create a tracking link for you. It did not work out for me because I'm trying to create a tracking link for Jackery using SEMrush. That's why it did not work. But assuming if you are selecting Jackery from here and landing URL belongs to Jackery, then you should be able to create your tracking link. Now let's say you don't want to create your tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing assets. For that, you simply click on content, you click on assets, it will take you to this page. Over here, you have to look at the left hand side, and just for the demo purpose, since we are still waiting for Jackery to review and approve my application, I'm going to click on SEMrush once again. And then you can also scroll down, and if you want to select any of these filters, do so. Then you want to look at the link tabs too. Are you interested in seeing image links, video links, email links, coupons, articles, or other kind of links? Let's say you're interested to look at the major banner links, and let's assume this is the banner link of Jackery. So you click on that banner link, it will open this overlay window. Over here, you got this PNG file that you could download. You can also click on tracking link to get your tracking link for that specific banner image you were looking at. You can also click on asset code, and this is the HTML link code that you can copy and paste it at the backend of your website, and then it will generate that banner on your website accordingly. So like this, you can explore all the available assets for Jackery, and you can take the link and start promoting them. Now, the next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by them, you can promote them anywhere on your website. Maybe homepage, maybe category page. It's up to you. Second way is blog. Now you could write blog posts about Jackery and put your tracking link somewhere within the blog post. So this way, when people would read your blog post, if they like it, they'll click on the link, and if they buy any of the product of Jackery, you receive commission. You might want to write the blog post about different products available at Jackery. It could work in your favor too. Third way is social media. Let's say you have social media account, you can promote them on your social media as well. You could create content like videos, reels, posts, and put your tracking link either in the description or comment. Again, people would consume your content, and if they would click on it, having the link, they buy the product, you get commission. Fourth way is camping website. Let's say as an affiliate, you got a camping website. Now, this could work in your favor as well because people who are usually interested in the products of Jackery usually explore camping websites as well. So you might want to feature Jackery somewhere on your camping website. Let's say people are coming to your website. There's a category where you are basically featuring all the products which are usable during camping activities. So this way, when people would come to your website, they'll go to that section, they find these products of Jackery, they buy, you get commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote them. But then how do you get traffic? If you get it, you can start promoting them to your website, blog, social media, or camping website, or any other platform. But getting traffic is always a challenge. Like what kind of audience should you be targeting and from where you should be getting your traffic. So there are top 3 traffic sources that I've mentioned for Jackery. You could try to bring traffic from YouTube, SEO blogs, or Pinterest. Maybe you create content on YouTube that basically redirects audience or traffic to your website, to your platform where they can find the products of Jackery. Second is SEO blogs. We talk about creating blog posts, correct? So you could write these blog posts keeping SEO in mind. So this way you could get generic traffic and these people could buy the products of Jackery. So again, getting more traffic through SEO means. Third way is Pinterest. You could maybe have pins on your Pinterest account and you can drive traffic through Pinterest, of course, to your platform. So these are some of the ways, the best suited traffic source for Jackery's products. Now, let's say you started promoting Jackery and you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you have to come to the Impact Publisher dashboard once again. Over here, you have to click on Reports and you have to click on Performance by Brand. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can apply different filters. You can scroll down and here you would be able to see your program that you have been part of, including Jackery, their ID, number of clicks and action. And if you click on the actual hyperlink, you will be able to see more details. And to see your accumulated commission, you can look at the top right hand side. Over here, you would be able to see your accumulated commission. And if you click on this drop down just beside your accumulated commission, you will be able to see these options. Balance, this is where you will be able to see the segregation of your accumulated commission. Earning history will have your earning history and the other things as well that you want to explore. Let's say you want to receive this commission that has been accumulated. For that, you can click on balance. And as I was saying, it will have segregation of that accumulated commission. And over here, you can click on bank account settings. It will take you to this page. Now, depending on your region, you may get the option to select PayPal or just electronic fund transfer. Let's say if you go with electronic fund transfer, you can select your bank location country, the banking details. And if you go with PayPal, you can enter your PayPal email address. You can also set auto pay or you can set to receive commission once a day on a fixed date. So this is how you can update your payment details and expect to receive commission from Impact for the sales you have brought to Jackery. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Jackery. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start bringing sales to them and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Jackery. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. They're free as well as premium resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Get any of those resources that you prefer. And if you have any other question for me in relation to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.